Hello everyone, I am Rupinder Singh and these are my teammates Yogesh, Karthik and Nisha. Today I will tell you about our innovation project about soil moisture sensing and NPK sensing. Imagine a field where not only crops are grown but cultivated with absolute precision. A world where a farmer doesn't have to guess if the soil is thirsty or nutrient deprived, but knows with the certainty. Today I am here to talk about the innovation that make it. This is really our new system for soil moisture and NPK sensing.
For centuries, farming has lived on experiences and intuition. But in the world of climate change, resource scarcity, and a growing population, we need tradition to technology. We need a modern scientific approach to agriculture that not only increases yields but also protects our most precious resources, the problem, guesswork, and waste. Traditional soil testing is too expensive and takes farmers away from their experience. This often leads to the farmer over-applying fertilizers, which pollutes our waterways and harms the environment over irrigation. Another common problem is waste is water and can lead to nutrient leaching and crop damage. Our innovative solution, smart sensing for a sustainable future. Our project offers a simple, powerful, and effective solution. We developed a system that uses a network of sensors to provide real-time data on soil conditions directly to the farmer. Here are the some points which was done by my team member.
For moisture sensing, we use a low-cost, accurate, capacitive sensor that measures soil's moisture content. This allows for automated and smart irrigation, ensures crops receive water only when and where they need it. For NPK sensing, our system utilizes a durable, corrosion-resistant sensor that can be buried in the soil for long-term monitoring. It measures the concentration of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, the three most vital head nutrients of plant growth in real time. The collected data is sent wirelessly to a central unit, which can be viewed and analyzed on a mobile app or computer. With this, farmer can receive precise data-driven recommendations on when and how much to irrigate and fertilize. Why this is a game changer? Our project is more than just a technological gadget, it is a tool for empowerment. For the farmer, it means higher crop yields, reduced operational costs, and healthier plants. No more wasted fertilizer or water, just optimal resources management. For the environment, it means a significant reduction in nutrient runoff and water pollution. For fostering fully sustainable agriculture practices. For the future, it means moving towards a smarter, more resilient food system that can feed more people with the foods.
Now we discuss the working of project. A circuit of water sensor, NPK sensor, auto valves, microcontroller, wires is to be set up in the field. If the field is dry or need a sufficient water supply, then the water sensor predicts the suitable level of water needed for irrigation and the microcontroller is automatically open the valves and water is supplied to the field. And after sufficient level, the valve is automatically turned off. When the minerals like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, NPK is to be needed for field, then the NPK sensor predicts suitable amount and NPK and transfers the data to the farmer's mobile so that not more and not less amount of NPK would be sprayed to the crops or in the field.